Morning. Today we got a special box, or a special shoe you could say. There's shoes dropping right now. I always wanted this pair, but I'm never gonna spend fucking like $4 or $5 grand for it. So I bought a UA pair. This is probably, I think, the second UA pair I ever bought. And I bought this for just to see if it's good quality. As you could tell from the box and the writing, it's the Mars Yard 2.0. And I've seen the real pair in person, and let's see how the box looks. Good quality. Bro, what the fuck? Look at that. Original pair might be a little bit darker, but bro, I paid $150 for these unauthorized pairs. UA meaning, I feel like a replica is just like a shitty version of the real pair released, and like a UA pair is just like an unauthorized factory with the same materials making it, and Nike didn't accept it. Because I've seen the real pair in person. This is top notch. It doesn't even smell like shitty glue like on like what happens with fake Jordans or something. Like, look at that. These UA pairs are getting nuts. So y'all boys paying fucking $2,000 for a fucking pair or more, and I'm sorry for you. Even if I had that much money, I wouldn't spend that much money on a fucking pair. Damn, dude, they got it down to the brim. Like, everything's on point. Like, don't know what this means. I think this shit comes with it, right? That's so sick, dude. Like, this box, bro. It's just so on point, it's fucked. I'm about to start buying UA pairs of pairs that I can't afford, like $5,000 pairs. Holy shit! This pair is top quality. Like the box, everything, dude. Like, it's almost 10 o'clock. I'm gonna buy a pairs of Yeezys. All right. Well, overall, the box is on point. Let's see. Writing. I think there's writing supposed to be in here. I don't know. Maybe. Like, down. I'm dumb hyped on this pair. Now I'm gonna show you guys an on foot view. Can't even speak today. Drank too much coffee.